Building a new IT architecture in a heavily distributed IT landscape is increasingly complex, error-prone, time-consuming, and expensive. With PRIMEFLEX Integrated Systems, Fsas Technologies provides you with a fast path to building hybrid IT architectures, allowing you to easily turn your on-premises IT infrastructure into a private cloud. Introduce cloud-like pay-per-use pricing schemes, and connect your on-premises IT with cloud instances. PRIMEFLEX systems have been specifically designed to streamline the deployment, operation, and maintenance of hybrid IT architectures. Thanks to the unique combination of a pre-integrated and certified technology stack, new standardized deployment, and infrastructure support services that cover all elements of the technology stack, PRIMEFLEX Integrated Systems offer a significant better lifecycle experience in operating hybrid IT architectures. PRIMEFLEX services are the key to enable high-quality deployments and best-in-class support. Customers benefit from minimized implementation risks, lowest failure rates in operation, and significantly reduced downtime. Transform with confidence to your new hybrid IT architecture.